Guys, I don't have much time. Okay, I don't have much time. I am heading out to go to a breakfast party. This is the fit. This dress is from Fashion Nova. My wedge is from MK. My bag is MK, and my accessory is Sheen and locally, and my Anne Klein watch. Ooh, we didn't get to do our toes. So I had to did my toes this morning because if you're wearing wedge like open toe, your toes need to be done. So I had to quickly just do my toes. Anyways, I'm gonna head to the event. I will see you guys there, just show you highlights and whatever. Yeah, let's head out, guys. My driver is waiting. Happy Christmas Eve to you all. So I wanted to just come on and tell you guys happy holidays, happy Christmas Eve, Merry Christmas to you, your friends, your family, and the new year is approaching. Are you guys ready for the new year? Are you ready for 2026? Because I'm ready for 2026. Comment down below and let me know if you guys are ready for 2026. So obviously you guys will see this video after the holidays, so I hope you guys had a great holiday and I hope it went well, and I hope it was what you wanted it to be, you know. My mom is coming over to my house to spend Christmas holidays, just me and her only, probably one of her friend, my brother and his family, and my niece, they're going somewhere else for Christmas dinner. And what do I have planned for the rest of this holiday? I should be going out to a few events, not sure what's happening yet for New Year's Eve. But yeah, I may go over to my family house. They're having like games night and ringing in the 2026 at her house, so more than likely I'm gonna do that. But today, no, on the agenda I have errands to do. I won't be able to take you guys because obviously today is just gonna be chaotic. The road is chaotic, like everybody's up and down. So I just want to just go on the road right now. It's 11:53. I should have left out from 9 a.m. in the morning, but it's okay, y'all. I actually had a work call at 10 this morning, so I had to finish that. So we're gonna head on the road, run some errands. I'm not gonna take you guys with me. I just need to knock that out, and then I will see you guys sometime throughout the day. And then we'll chat then. So we gotta head on the road to do these errands. So let's go. I just came off the oopsie, that's alcohol. Look, he didn't catch me in my eye. I just came off the road, did a few errands. I need to go back on the road. It's 1:47 right now, but remember I told you I didn't have anything for morning, so I stopped at Popeyes. And by the way, Popeyes have spicy barbecue chicken, and that's something that new that they launched, and I so wanted to try it, but I didn't have any leg, so they only have breast, thigh, and a wing in it. I only eat leg, okay? I could have had the thigh and the wing, but I want leg. So I was like, you know what? I'll get it another day. And the next thing, tomorrow is Christmas Day, and I'm gonna have chicken. So let me just resort to a salad. So we're having a salad today. That's what we're having today, darling. And every time I buy me a salad, I always buy the sweet tea sauce. Remember, I've been telling you guys this. Sweet tea sauce, salad. It's good with the chicken too. And you know, then normally, this which one they gave me? Honey blossom. Country French with orange blossom honey dressing. Ooh, that sounds like, I don't think I've ever had this before. So we're gonna have our salad. Looks so good. Oh, I didn't get any fork. You know, some of them people are gonna fight. Them not putting a fork. I have a fork in my car though. Yo. That chicken look like a bit though. Anyways, guys. Oh. I'm gonna I'm gonna eat, and we'll catch up later. When I go back on the road. I wish I didn't. I need to. Oh my god, I forgot to stop at the supermarket. Guys, I'm gonna call my mom. Because I'm sure she's gonna be leaving work early today. So let me call her and ask her to grab something for me at the supermarket. I call her. Let's see. Where's the fork?
You have reached the voicemail box.
Hey guys, it's Christmas Day, so Merry Christmas to you. I know it is December 25th, y'all, so Merry Christmas to y'all. Yeah, I'm looking kind of crazy. Anyways, I'm actually just picking up my mom. She's gonna come back by my house. She kind of like pre-cooked majority of the stuff. She's supposed to come by my house and cook, but y'all know how moms are, so she pre-cooked. So we're gonna have Christmas dinner by my house. I won't be filming like that and everything, but I wanted to come on and tell y'all a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays to you and your family, and we will see each. I know yesterday, I don't know what happened, but yeah, I didn't go anywhere. I literally just stayed home and relaxed. But yeah, I'll see you guys on the weekend. It is a day after Christmas, y'all. This is Boxing Day. Boxing Day in Jamaica, so it's literally a national holiday. As well on a big Friday, which is super cool for me and for everybody else in Jamaica because there's no work tomorrow. So tonight everybody's gonna be outside, including myself. Anyways, let me turn on this light. Should be able to see me more. Yeah, so I have a potluck to go to, so I am going to be going to KFC or Popeyes. I'm supposed to bring the fried chicken. Obviously, I'm not going to cook. Obviously, I don't have any time to do that today. I also work today, so I am just going to grab KFC, chicken, or Popeyes. I'm not sure yet whichever one is like least expensive. I was trying to look online on the menu, but online on their website they don't put the chicken price only. They only have the combo deals and stuff, which makes no sense. Anyways, we're gonna head out, and then after the potluck I do have another event tonight, which is I Love Soca. So we are gonna have to come home and shower again and dress up for a soca event. But this is the fit that we're wearing. Just put on back this jeans that I had on the other day and wearing this top, navy blue top, and let's go because the girl is running late as usual. Y'all guys know the trick. Anyways, I hope y'all had a nice holiday. Let me just put that in there. I hope y'all had a nice Merry Christmas dinner with family, friends, whoever it is. Yeah, later. Hey guys, so we are heading out to the soca event. I did not get to video when I was at the potluck, but I did get a KFC chicken and then I just headed there. Literally stayed only for 30 minutes so I can come home and be ready for the event. So it's a soca event and I normally wear shorts, but y'all, we just don't know what to wear, so we're just throwing on a dress. We still will be able to move and wine and dine. So this is a dress that we're working with, and of course, sneakers. So let's head out to the event and yeah, I'll see you guys there.
I love you, Misty. Ladies, if you love that girl, say, girl, I love you. So don't you ever shut up. Let me down again. Shut up. Say what? You hold it. You hold it. You hold it. You hold it. What? Yes, you know what? Give me four. mad goons. Chatty mode boy, you a mad mind fools. Shout out to everybody who party with your dear ones right now. If you party with somebody that you call a best friend, ladies, turn to your best friend and say, I love you. Say, I love you, best friend. Fellas, if you party with your real brethren, give them a, let me reset the whole party. I want wine.
Guys, let me tell you something. I had a ball last night. I had a time last night. Like, it is, I don't even know, I think it's after 5 right now, but I did get up like around 3 o'clock, went on a road to run an errand and came back into bed. I woke up like after 12 this morning and I've been in and out of sleep until I went on the road. The vibe was good last night. Anyways, I'm in bed. I'm just gonna relax. I'm gonna watch Stranger Things. I did started watching it when Christmas night. So I'm gonna finish up the current new episodes. Then I'm gonna try to go back to sleep. I should be going on the road again, guys. What a holiday. What a December this is. Anyways, we're gonna be watching some show right now. So later.
It can be suffocating.
Hey guys, so we are off again to head out. Wanted to show you guys this cute little Fashion Nova romper that I bought. Like, it fits so good. Like, I did not have to like taking anything. It is so cute. And I have on my MK wedge and my MK bag. So this is what we're working with. We're heading to wJangas just for a chill night. Yeah, so it's not really much of a like heavy party, but it's gonna be a good vibe. I feel like I wanted to dress up because why not? It's the holidays and the girl is in her heels era. Okay, she's in her heels era. We did got the heels from Amazon. I can't wait for it, but it's like kitten heels. So I just bought one to test it out to see if I like it and if the size fits, and then if it's good to go, I'm gonna get one in a gold and brown and silver. But yeah, cute little fit. I will see you guys when I'm outside. Listen out.